This exquisite hotel offers a truly unique and enchanting stay, perfect for guests seeking a magical escape. Upon arrival, please note that for security and booking integrity, a valid photo identification and the credit card used for the reservation are required for check-in and deposit, ensuring the authorized cardholder is present. It's crucial to remember that once a booking is made, name changes are not accepted, so kindly provide names exactly as they appear on passports during the reservation process. Guests should be aware that the hotel is currently undergoing significant guest room transformations, which may involve some noise between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. until the end of this year. Measures are in place to minimize disruption, and the hotel apologizes for any inconvenience. Further extensive renovation work is scheduled from February 2025 for approximately 15 months. For a delightful culinary experience, guests with a breakfast included rate will enjoy the Ink and Plate Breakfast Buffet, featuring beloved Disney friends, for 2 persons per room per night. Similarly, those opting for a dinner included rate will be treated to the Ink and Plate Dinner Buffet, also with Disney friends, for 2 persons. This designated dinner is available between 5:30 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. and must be savored on the check-in date. The hotel boasts a comprehensive array of facilities designed to enhance your comfort and enjoyment. Indulge in culinary delights at the on-site restaurant, or utilize the well-equipped meeting and banquet facilities available for an additional charge. Convenience is key with a 24-hour front desk, express check-in, check-out, currency exchange, and luggage storage. Guests can relax in the beautiful garden, access non-smoking rooms via a lift, and keep valuables secure in a safety deposit box. Leisure options abound with both an outdoor pool available all year and a seasonal outdoor pool, complete with a refreshing pool bar. Air conditioning ensures comfort throughout your stay, complemented by a snack bar for quick bites. The dedicated concierge service is ready to assist with any needs. For health and safety, the hotel provides access to healthcare professionals, breakfast takeaway containers, and ensures delivered food is securely covered. This establishment truly combines enchantment with thoughtful amenities for an unforgettable visit,